4. Windows Desktop. The desktop is the main screen area that you see after you turn on your computer and log on to Windows. Like the top of an actual desk, it serves as a surface for your work. Usually, the desktop consists of different icons. Along with these icons, taskbar lies at the bottom of the screen. Desktop window with all features. Start globe or button. Taskbar. Notification area or system tray. Show desktop button. The taskbar is divided into three parts. 1. Start globe or button. This is the main starting point for most activities on your computer because it opens the Start menu. From the Start menu, you can access all the programs installed on your computer. It is at the bottom left corner of the screen. 2. Taskbar. The area at the bottom between the Start globe and the notification area is called the taskbar. To the right of the Start globe, notice some icons. These programs are pinned on the taskbar for easy access even when they are not running. When a program is running, it will have a border around its taskbar icon as shown adjacent. Windows Explorer running on the taskbar. Pinned icon. If you place the mouse pointer over a running taskbar icon, Windows will show you a preview window. Preview window on the taskbar icon. 3. System tray. The official Microsoft name for this part of the desktop is the notification area, which consists of icons as shown adjacent. Now, click the small arrow pointing upwards. The flag-shaped icon to the right of the arrow icon is the Action Center. Next to that is the Network icon. Then there is the Volume icon. Date and time. To the right of the notification area is the date and time display. You can adjust the computer's clock if it is not showing the correct time. Show desktop button. Clicking on the very bottom right hand corner of the desktop will activate the Show Desktop button. This button hides all the open windows so that you can see the desktop. Clicking it again will reveal the windows again. Desktop icons. Icons are small pictures that represent files, folders, programs, and other items. Some examples of desktop icons are shown below. Computer, network, control panel, users files, example Ravi, recycle bin. Hint: double-clicking a desktop icon starts or opens the item it represents. 1. Computer. The computer desktop icon provides access to all of your computer's hard drive partitions, CD or DVD drives, and removable media drives. When you open this desktop icon, you will be shown all of the available drive letters, which you can then access as needed. On the left-hand menu, you will also see quick shortcuts to various Windows locations such as the desktop, favorites, and libraries. 2. Network. The network icon will show you a list of computers on your network as well as provide easy access to any home groups, work groups, or domains you may be part of. If you have a home network, you need to regularly access it via the network icon. 3. Control panel. The control panel icon will open up a window containing a variety of applets that allows you to view and change various Windows system settings. 4. Users files. The Users files icon provides quick access to your personal data such as your personal documents, personal downloads, personal music, personal pictures, and personal videos. 5. Recycle bin. When we delete the files that are of no use any longer, they get stored in the recycle bin. The recycle bin acts as the storage area for the files and folders that are deleted. Therefore, when we delete files, they are only temporarily moved to the recycle bin. It is called recycle bin because we can restore some files back if needed. To restore the deleted item from recycle bin, 1. Double-click the recycle bin icon on the desktop to open the recycle bin window. 2. Select the item that you deleted. 3. Right-click on the item and select the Restore command. Now, the file is back in the place from where you deleted it. Deleting files permanently from recycle bin. From time to time, we can also empty the recycle bin. When you double-click on the recycle bin icon, a window appears which consists of an option called Empty the Recycle Bin on the toolbar. If you select that option, you get a Delete File warning dialog box that asks you to permanently delete all files. Click Yes. All files are removed permanently from the computer. To delete a single file, select the file and right-click on it. A menu appears and select Delete. The Delete File warning dialog box appears. Click Yes. Note: once the recycle bin is emptied, the file cannot be restored. Working with desktop icons. To add or remove common desktop icons. Common desktop icons include Computer, Users file, Personal folder, Network, Recycle bin, and Control panel. 1. Right-click an empty area on the desktop and then click Personalize. You will get the adjacent larger window. 2. In the left pane of it, click Change Desktop icon. The Desktop icon settings dialog box appears. 3. Under Desktop icon, select the checkbox for each icon that you want to add to the desktop or clear the checkbox for each icon that you want to remove from the desktop and then click OK. To add a shortcut to the desktop. If you want easy access from the desktop to your favorite files or programs, you can create shortcuts for them. 1. Choose the item that you want to create a shortcut for. 2. Right-click the item, click Send to, and then click Desktop. 3. The shortcut icon appears on the desktop as shown adjacent. Tip: to easily move a file to the desktop, open the folder that contains the file and drag it to the desktop. Hiding desktop icons. If you want a desktop without icons, you can hide them without actually removing them. Right-click an empty area on the desktop, click View, and then click Show Desktop Icons. to clear the check mark from that option. Now, the desktop is displayed without icons. You can get them back by clicking Show Desktop Icons again. Selecting multiple icons. To move or delete a group of icons at once, you must first select all of them. Click an empty area on the desktop and drag the mouse around the icon that you want to select with the rectangle that appears. Then release the mouse button. Now you can drag the icons as a group or delete them. Note: if you want to delete an icon from the desktop, just right-click on that icon and then click Delete. If the icon is a shortcut, only the shortcut is removed. The original item is not deleted. Themes. A theme is a combination of pictures, colors, and sounds. They include a desktop background, a window border color, sounds, and a screensaver. You can find all of your themes in Personalization in Control Panel. Click any theme to apply it to your desktop. To set or change the theme, right-click an empty area on the desktop and select the Personalize option from the pop-up menu. The Personalize window appears where you can choose a theme to apply it to the desktop by just clicking on it. Deleting themes. Themes that you have created or downloaded can be deleted from your system. To delete a theme, right-click an empty area on the desktop, select Personalize option, right-click on the theme that you want to delete and then click Delete Theme option. Note: you cannot delete a theme while it is in use, and also the themes that come with Windows. Desktop background, wallpaper. The background pattern on the Windows desktop is called the wallpaper or desktop background. We can choose images from the desktop background to set or change the wallpaper of a computer. To set or change the desktop background, right-click an empty area on the desktop, personalize desktop background, window appears as shown. Click the picture that you want to use for your desktop background. If you want to use the picture other than the desktop background pictures, click an item in the picture location list to see other categories, or click Browse to search for the picture. When you find a picture that you want, double-click or right-click on the picture and click the Set as Desktop Background option in the dialog box. Under Picture Position, click the arrow and choose whether to crop the picture to fill the screen, fit the picture to the screen, stretch the picture to fit the screen, tile the picture, or center the picture on the screen, and then click Save Changes. Screensaver. Many times when the computer is on and not used, inactive, for 10 to 15 minutes, some moving pattern appears on the computer. It disappears when you move the mouse or press a key on the keyboard. This moving pattern is called a screensaver. This protects the screen or monitor and prevents it from burning. This improves the life of the monitor. To set or change the screensaver. To set or change the screensaver, right-click an empty area on the desktop and then click Personalize. A window opens which consists of the screensaver option. Click on it and a screensaver setting dialog box appears. Choose any one from the screensaver list by clicking the down arrow. Specify the time after which the screensaver should be active since the computer is idle. To see the preview of the screensaver selected, click the preview button. The screensaver appears. Move the mouse or press a key to end the preview. Click the apply button and then click the OK button to close the dialog box.